Hello and welcome to the tutorial on subtraction. In this tutorial we will learn how to subtract a 6-digit number and a 2-digit number, and we're going to do this using the horizontal format. So let's have a look at our first example. What is 287,163 minus 48? Now we're going to use one particular method for this example and a slightly different one for the next example. In this one, we're going to try to reduce the subtraction we're going to do. I make it simpler, not do the whole sum in one go. So let's have a look at the number we are subtracting. It is 48, has got 8 units and 4 tens. The number we are subtracting from has got 6 tens and 3 units. Now this is actually quite an easy subtraction here. We have 63 minus 48. Now you should know this from your mental arithmetic. 63 minus 48, well, if you add 5 and 1, that makes 63. So the answer is 15. 63 minus 48 is 15. So we've done the subtraction and all the other digits remain the same. So we've simplified it by doing the subtraction with smaller numbers. Our answer is therefore 287,100. So far the digits haven't changed. 287,115. Okay, where possible, you should try to make it simpler, the subtraction. Okay, now let's move on to our second example and a slightly different method. This time we have 907,346 minus 89. So 907,346 minus 89. Now what we're going to do in this example is, and we've done this before, is we're going to add a number to 89 to make it equal to the large number on the left. Okay, so let's begin this. Let's start with the digit on the right hand side. We've got 9 units. How many units do we have to get to? Well, we have to get to 6. Now because we're adding, the next number with 6 in the units is 16. So what number added to the 9 over here is going to give us 16? Well, the answer is 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. And because it's 16, we are carrying 1 across. So now let's do the tens. Okay? Now the tens is no longer 8 because we're carrying 1. The tens is 9. And how many do we need to get to? We need to get to 4. Because we're adding 9 on 9, the next number with 4 as a unit is 14. So 9 plus what number is going to give us 14? Well, it's 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. And because it's 14, we're carrying 1 across. So that is now the hundreds. We've carried 1 across, so the hundreds, we already have 1. How many hundreds do we need? Well, we need to get to 3. And what number added to 1 is going to give us 3? The answer is 2. Okay, we're not carrying any more numbers going forwards. So therefore, these 3 digits, the 907, is not going to change. So let's write that in. So that number is not going to change. So therefore, this is our answer. And it is 907,257. Now just work through this a couple of times and you'll understand what we've done is very logical, and it's something that will come in handy when we are subtracting larger numbers. Now we gotta give ourselves a nice big tick. So that is subtraction of a 6-digit number and a 2-digit number using the horizontal format.